Got my daily dump on skis. The S98 is back in action after the rotor gearbox has been out of it twice. And we got storms blowing in. This one might get ugly on us. We'll see. It already rained once this morning. Now it's 2:45. And we got another line coming at us. The first one wasn't heavy. This one, on the other hand, may be. After looking at the radar. So, not sure how much longer we'll be at it today. Here anyways, but we'll see. It could blow to the north of us. May not. You never know. As you can see from the flag, we got a pretty stiff breeze today. Things are going good. The corn's yielding good. The machine's running good. So why wouldn't it rain?